Today, I'm going to show you how to use a vanilla gift card on your Xbox console. Stay tuned to learn everything you need to know to get your gaming purchases done with ease. First, make sure your vanilla gift card is activated and has enough funds for the purchase you want to make. You can check this by visiting the vanilla gift card website or by calling the number on the back of the card. Now, switch on your Xbox and go to the settings menu. You can find this by scrolling to the right from the home screen. Navigate to the account section and then select payment and billing. Choose add a payment method. Here, you'll select credit, debit card. At this point you might think, how do I add a gift card as a credit card? Well, let me show you. Enter the details on your vanilla gift card as you would with any regular debit or credit card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV number from the back of the card. Once your vanilla gift card is added as a payment method, you can use it to buy games, add-ons, or subscriptions. Simply proceed to the Xbox store, find your desired item, and choose Buy. Select your newly added card as the payment option. And there you have it, you're all set to make Xbox purchases with your vanilla gift card.